Unlock your financial freedom, the ultimate guide to budgeting tools. Are you tired of wondering where your money goes each month? Do you dream of financial freedom, but feel overwhelmed by the process? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with budgeting, but the right tools can make all the difference. Let's dive into how budgeting tools can transform your financial life. A budget is only effective if it's properly tracked and maintained. Many people fail at budgeting because they don't keep a record of their income and expenses, leading to overspending and financial stress. Don't let this be you. Budgeting tools and apps help by tracking every expense automatically or manually, providing clear insights into spending habits, helping to set savings goals and monitor progress, and ensuring money is spent wisely without going into debt. Using the right budgeting tools makes financial management easier and more effective. Proverbs 27 verse 23 says, "Be sure you know the condition of your flocks, give careful attention to your herds." This verse emphasizes the importance of tracking financial resources and managing them wisely. It's a timeless principle for financial success. There are different types of budgeting tools, and the best one depends on personal preference and financial habits. Let's explore some popular options. These are simple, traditional methods that require writing down income and expenses regularly. They offer a hands-on approach to financial tracking. Notebook and pen method, best for people who prefer to write down financial transactions manually. Requires a dedicated notebook to track all expenses. Helps in visualizing spending habits and staying accountable. Spreadsheet budgeting, Excel or Google Sheets uses tables and formulas to track income, expenses, and savings. Allows customization to fit specific financial needs. Provides graphs and charts to analyze spending patterns. Free and accessible offline and online. Electric light bulb best for those comfortable with numbers and prefer a structured budgeting method. Mobile apps make budgeting easier by automating expense tracking and financial planning. They bring convenience and efficiency to your fingertips. Mint free, iOS and Android connects to bank accounts and automatically categorizes transactions. Provides bill reminders to avoid late payments. Tracks spending, savings, and investment accounts. Electric light bulb best for beginners who want automated tracking without much effort. YNAB, you need a budget, paid. iOS and Android uses zero-based budgeting to ensure every dollar has a purpose. Encourages saving first before spending. Helps users pay off debt and build emergency funds. Electric light bulb best for people looking for strict financial discipline. Good budget, free and paid versions. iOS and Android based on the envelope budgeting system, where money is divided into spending categories. Helps in cash-based budgeting and expense control. Good for households and couples managing joint finances. Electric light bulb best for those who prefer a hands-on approach to money management. Pocket Guard, free and paid. iOS and Android shows how much money is safe to spend after essential bills are covered. Helps users avoid overspending and impulse purchases. Tracks bank accounts, credit cards, and bills in one place. Electric light bulb best for those who struggle with overspending and need real-time budgeting alerts. Monify, free and paid. iOS and Android simple and easy-to-use interface for quick expense tracking. Allows manual entry of transactions. Provides pie charts to visualize spending categories. Electric light bulb best for those who prefer manual budgeting with a mobile-friendly interface. These platforms offer comprehensive financial management features accessible from your computer or mobile device. EveryDollar, web and mobile, created by Dave Ramsey, focusing on zero-based budgeting. Helps in tracking spending and planning ahead. Encourages users to assign every dollar to a category before spending. Electric light bulb, best for those following Dave Ramsey's financial principles. Personal capital, web and mobile, best for tracking investments and net worth in addition to budgeting. Monitors retirement planning and financial growth. Provides financial advisory services for wealth building. Electric light bulb, best for those who want both budgeting and investment tracking. To select the best budgeting tool, consider your budgeting style, financial goals, ease of use, and security and privacy. White heavy, check mark your budgeting style. Do you prefer manual tracking or automation? White heavy, check mark your financial goals. Are you paying off debt, saving, or managing daily expenses? White heavy, check mark ease of use. Is the tool simple and convenient to use daily? White heavy, check mark security and privacy. Does the app protect financial data? Electric light bulb example. If you prefer writing things down, use a notebook or spreadsheet. If you want automation, try Mint or YNAB. If you struggle with impulse spending, Pocket Guard can help set spending limits. Budgeting tools offer numerous benefits that can transform your financial life. Heavy checkmark tracks every dollar spent, helps in identifying spending leaks. Heavy checkmark encourages better savings habits, ensures money is set aside for emergencies and future goals. Heavy checkmark prevents overspending and debt accumulation, helps in living within one's means. Heavy checkmark improves financial discipline, creates awareness of where money is going. Heavy checkmark simplifies budgeting and goal setting, provides clear financial insights. Let's explore some biblical principles that align with wise financial management. Luke 16 verses 10 to 11 says, "Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. If you have not been trustworthy in handling worldly wealth, who will trust you with true riches?" Managing small finances wisely prepares us for greater financial responsibilities. Proverbs 21 verse 5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty." Careful financial planning leads to success, while careless spending leads to poverty. Proverbs 22 verse 7 says, "The borrower is slave to the lender." Poor financial management leads to debt and financial bondage. Ecclesiastes 7 verse 12 says, "Wisdom is a shelter as money is a shelter, but the advantage of knowledge is this: wisdom preserves those who have it." Financial wisdom is more valuable than money itself. Let's put theory into practice with a hands-on activity. Pushpin task. Choose a budgeting tool, notebook, spreadsheet, or an app, and write down your monthly income. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Track your spending daily for 1 week. Evaluate and adjust your budget to improve savings. Electric light bulb reflection questions. What spending habits did you notice? Were there any unnecessary expenses you can reduce? How can budgeting tools help you improve financial discipline? Using budgeting tools and apps helps in managing money wisely, tracking expenses, and achieving financial stability. By applying biblical financial wisdom and practical budgeting methods, you can develop healthy money habits and avoid financial stress. Key takeaways. Budgeting tools improve financial tracking and decision-making. Apps automate expense tracking, while manual tools offer detailed control. Financial discipline aligns with biblical principles of stewardship. Choosing the right budgeting tool helps build long-term financial stability. Ready to take control of your finances? Start today by choosing a budgeting tool that fits your needs and commit to tracking your expenses for 1 week. Share your experience in the comments below and let us know which tool you chose and what you learned. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice to help you achieve your financial goals.